guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now, if you are a returning viewer, subscriber, you would have recognized that I was off for a week on YouTube.
I gave you my heart.
The reason I took a little break, a week off of YouTube, is because my iPhone 6 finally gave up. It fell in a puddle when in Scotland we had a really bad rain. I don't know if England did, but a couple of weeks ago we had really heavy rain and I went out of the car, forgot to zip my bag open, or like my phone was on my lap or something, and I just went out and it fell on the floor, but also in a puddle. I checked it straight away, checked it in the shop, checked it when I got back, and it was all good. It took a couple of hours and then it started playing up. My apps started to disappear, like they would have the name but like no logo, and then it started doing like a black screen with a little twirly thing. That happened for a couple of days and then full on just didn't switch on. It switched on to the bit where the Apple logo is. So there was no screen, like I couldn't literally get into my phone. So I had a broken phone for about a week till I was able to get a new one, and it was yesterday, the time you're seeing this, it was on Monday that I got a new phone, and the iPhone that I got was an iPhone 12. I've only had this for nearly 48 hours and I'm in love with it. I still can't get used to the swiping up thing. I am kind of getting used to it now, but I just love it, and the camera quality is amazing. I'm going to show you that soon if you have not got iPhone 12. I haven't got iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's an iPhone 12, just a simple iPhone 12, and the case that I've got on it, and the colour that I've got, is this colour here, the purple. I was between getting mint green or the purple, and I went for the purple. I've only got this case on because I've ordered some stuff off eBay, a case and like stuff to charge it. I can still charge my phone, but the charger that they give you, you need a different plug with it. So I've got normal chargers, but I need a different plug whenever I'm using that cable. So the cable you get with it is different. Hope that makes sense. But I'm going to do a iPhone, like what's on my new iPhone when I actually get it organized. The other thing that happened was we got a puppy. We got another puppy. Well, we've got a dog. She's called a dog now. You all know Daisy if you're a returning viewer. This is what Daisy looks like, and this is what our new puppy looks like. I'm gonna insert some clips of them playing together and just little clips of them two together right now. They're so cute, aren't they? She is so adorable. Her name is called Teddy and it is a girl and she is a spoodle. I think it's a type of cockapoo, but she is so cute, she is so adorable, and she is called Teddy because she looks like a teddy. That's what we've always thought. She looks like a teddy, so she's called Teddy. She's now our new addition to my family. The first day of them two meeting, it went okay. Daisy was on and off barking, it was a confused bark, or I don't know who you are. And then the next second day they started to get along, till kind of barking, till kind of when I say barking I mean oh well, I don't know, it wasn't aggressive barking, it was just a what are you barking, confused. So by the third day they started to get more along. They got along more on the second day, but on the third day they started proper play fighting and everything, and ever since then they've been getting along. Daisy till Teddy till can't go really close to Daisy because she's not comfortable with it yet, but she is getting there. The day that I'm filming this, they actually she didn't bark at Teddy one bit when she went so close to her. They went on the sofa at the same time. They're getting there. I'm so happy that they're getting there with the process in being friends. I hope, fingers crossed, they will become best friends in the far future. I will give you updates and you will see them too in my vlogs. The next video that I will be filming is probably what's on my new iPhone 12, so keep an eye out on that. The last and final life update, but I've also told you guys before briefly in a vlog, is I now do dot art painting on coasters. In the future I might be doing decorations, but for now I am just doing coasters. But I will link my Facebook group down below where you can come and join and see all the coaster designs that I have made the past month or so. So that's another life update that I do dot art coasters now. So now I'm going to put a clip in of my new phone and how amazing the camera quality is. So this is the camera quality on my iPhone 12. This is the front camera that I'm using. It is 4K front camera and back camera. I'm so happy with that, and the quality compared to my iPad is amazing. The brightness, the detail, I'm just so amazed. I love it. I'm in love with it. The only problem is I don't think I will be filming much on bad flare-up days with my psoriasis, because it proper shows my psoriasis now because the camera quality is that amazing. But let me know in the comments what you think about this quality on my new iPhone, and I will speak to you guys soon. If you did like this video and this life update, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.